Hi, I'm Chloe from Brit+Co. Thank you so much for chatting with me. How are you?
I'm so good, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm good. First off, that red looks so good on you. Definitely
Thank
wear that
you.
color.
Thank you so much.
I'm so excited to chat about this show. You did phenomenal. And to start, the casting in this show is so good. And I'm curious if you could cast someone to play a family member in a future project, is there anyone that comes top of mind that you'd like to pick?
Oh my gosh. What to be in Outlander? Do I mean to be in Blood of My Blood?
Either Blood of My Blood or a random project that you can
Or
come up with.
something else? Oh gosh. I mean, there's so many actors I'd love to work with. Who would I love? Oh, gosh. I mean, so many people I love. Julianne Moore. Can she play my I don't know what she'd play, but can she be in it? I'd like her to be in something with me.
Yes. And speaking of other people in the industry, I'm curious when you were going through this process, were you able to like chat with any of the original Outlander cast or did they come to set? What was that kind of relationship like between the two projects, if there was one?
So we had a bit of overlap. At one point, they were filming the final season at the same time we were filming. So we see each other in the corridors now and then, which was great. And yeah, production organized a few drinks, so we all met up and it was great. They're a very lovely, warm cast as well. So it was good vibes.
Amazing. And I love the Blood of My Blood cast as well. All of y'all are so phenomenal together. What was your favorite thing to do, either on set when you weren't filming or just kind of hanging out with everyone?
Oh, I think in Glasgow it's such a treat because we're really near lots of beautiful landscape and lochs. So we all did a lot of walking. Sam Repford's very outdoorsy. Jeremy's quite an outdoor man as well. So they were very good at kind of getting everyone out to go. I think they went like diving and I haven't done the diving yet, but we've done some kind of beach trips and hikes up the mountains and that sort of thing. So it's a pretty dramatic place to hang out. It's really fun.
I love that. Definitely on my bucket list. I got to get
Yeah.
over there sometime. And I am a huge romance fan, and so many people who will be watching the show are huge romance fans. What is your reaction when you're reading these scripts and seeing lines and moments that are meant to give the viewer butterflies? Like, how do you process that when you're reading it?
I think, yeah, it's finding the truth in those moments and what the character is feeling towards that person. Because I think you want to make sure that the meaning behind the line is bedded in truth, because that's when an audience believes it and buys it.
Absolutely.
Mm.
And last question, do you have a favorite memory from bringing this story to life and kind of getting to know your character? If you can pick one. I know it's kind of a broad question.
Mm. Gosh, I think in a way, I think the 20 scenes between Henry and Julia are are great for kind of character discovery, because in the 1700s, Julia's in constant survival mode.
Hmm.
Whereas in the 20s, we get to see her in a more domestic setting and when she's living alone and working at the redaction office. So I think we almost learn more about her in the flashback scenes than we do in the 1700s.
Yeah, for sure. Well, thank you so much for chatting with me. I hope you have such a great rest of your day and congratulations on the show.
Thank you so much. Lovely to talk to you.